Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to talk about GameStop all over again and why I think the fireworks are just about to begin, which is it's a pattern that I noticed going back. Uh, you know, it's happened every single time, every single time, every single time. I'm not gonna do like the intro or anything. This is not even gonna be a TA. This is more of a pattern that I noticed, and it's when every single time the 50 MA crosses back above the 200 MA on the 30 minute, right? So what's going on here, right? We have this cross right here, 50 MA above the 200. Usually what happens when that cross happens is you drop down a little bit, so you have a retrace, and then what happens afterwards? Huge pop to the upside, right? And again, that's only when the 50 MA crosses the 200 on the 30 minute, right? Again, right here. Let's do this. Crosses right here, right? You have that push, initial push, you retrace, and then you have the super big push like the net between February 8th, and this is peak is February 10th, so like a day or two later. Yeah, so a day or two later you have the big push to the upside, right? We cross, retrace, boom, you explode, right? Again, let's go with every single instance of the 30. See, even right here, even a small crossover, right? You crossed over, retrace, and then boom, right away, you have another big push to the upside. So let's go to every single instance of the 30-minute crossing over, right here. Where is it? Here we go, right? To the 30-minute, 50 MA cross over 200, right here. Retrace, boom, huge spike to the upside, right? Again, right here, 30-minute crosses, retrace, and then boom, another huge spike to the upside, right? You basically run from 180 to one, so $10 right there was a small pump up right there, right here, right? 30-minute cross to the upside, you retrace, and then boom, you have a huge explosion to the upside, right? You cross right here, you have a retrace, and then boom, pop to the upside. Every single time. Happens every single time, every single time, every single time. Again, right? 30-minute. What happens afterwards? You have a retrace, and then boom, huge spike to the upside, right? Within, how long did this take? May 9th, May 28th, so about 10 days. Oh, wait, 20 days. Oh, shit. So May 19th to May 28th. Yeah, so peak as May 26th. So May 19th, 26th, so about a week or so. What happened here? I think here we go. This is one of the instances where you had another push right here, right? Cross, and then a push. You had another push right here where it wasn't as big as the other one. So this is the first time that I actually see that it wasn't a huge push to the upside in the 30-minute. Let's see if we can find any more good ones. Right, here we go, 30-minute, right? Retrace, and then boom, you start the huge push to the upside. This was the March. This was in March, though. This one you ran from February 26th to peak highs of March. So that's definitely way, 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 way longer. But it's still the exact same thing every single time, every single time. Let's see, 30-minute. There you go, 30-minute crossing right here. You cross, trade sideways, and then boom, another huge spike to the upside, right? Let's keep going back. We gotta test every single time out, right? We gotta back test every single time out. This one, we cross, right? You actually spiked early, back here, retrace, and then you started that initial huge push to the upside, right? So it's just, this pattern happens so much, right? Look again, right? You cross, you have the initial spike, you have a retrace, and then boom, another huge spike bigger than the last, and then you continue on from there. So, and this was back in October 2020, right? And I can probably keep going back and back and back and back, and it's gonna happen every single time. But what I'm waiting for right now is essentially, I think that we're already in the retrace, right? We already had that 30-minute cross yesterday at 7:30 in the morning. So I do think that the next push to the upside is gonna happen when the 30-minute or the hour goes bullish, which I think is going to be sometime today, maybe sometime on Tuesday, because the market is closed on Monday. So, it's one of those things where I'm like, dude, this is going to break trend. I think we're going to 188. I think the next push, we're going to have a similar push to this, which is from 87 to like 150. So we ran what, like $60, and I think we might have another $50-$60 push, which is what, from where we are now, $60. It'll take us to exactly 188. So as of right now, price target is 188. I think we're actually in the retrace step right now. And once we actually close everything on the bull side, like the 30-minute or maybe like even the hour, like on the bull side, I think we're going to keep pushing to the upside extremely hard, right? And it's happened every single time, 30-minute cross, you have that retrace, and then you have a huge pop to the upside. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.